What's happening, guys? Jay Riggs here with Riggs Fabrication, Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're talking about this Jeep FC. It's 1959 FC 170. Pretty cool truck. Got a 9-foot bed on it. We've swapped out the axles to a Dana 40. We've got a 9-inch in the rear end. We had a 5.3 LS motor in there with a stage 2 cam kit. We're going to do vintage air, modernizing everything a little bit to make it more fun to drive. And it's going to be painted the same color as the man's boat, kind of that mint green color. And it'd be kind of cool to see him pulling a fishing boat behind this thing. All right, so inside this cab, there's not a lot of room to fit everything. So we're finding unique ways of fitting vintage air, brake booster, building a custom dash. We've got a shifter for the 4L60 from Locar, and we've got a twin stick 4-wheel drive shifter from Novak, making everything happen. So because the Jeep is a cab over design, the radiator in the front doesn't have a lot of room, so it's tilted down to get as much surface area as possible. But we added this little 10-inch fan and built this little box to help get the heat out of the engine compartment because it's inside the cab. So we're just doing everything we can to give comfort to the passengers and keep the heat down on the engine. So just be a little helper fan.